Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischtechnik with robotics. This video is the start of a brand new model based on the fischertechnik robotinterface and then of course controlled by Linux laptop. And for the first time ever I am unable to control it because of installation problem of the driver, the robotinterface driver, which I badly need to control this one. So I have my programming environment. I still have to get the FT diagnosis interface installed, and then I have to construct the fischertechnik part. Let's do that first, and let's then see if I can eventually control things, because the diagnostic interface is not necessary. So maybe, just maybe, I can program anyway. Let's see how it ends up. So now I am recording via the laptop screencast again. And first thing to do is to mount this interface to the, well, bottom plate. And that should be no problem. And this one can be in this shelving plate, and let's see if this fits. This is fitting. That's good. Motor is in the way, so right now remove everything. Putting these in, remove everything. Oops, has to stay in place. And the interface is nicely mounted. Not yet powered and not yet connected, so I'm using this USB cable to connect. I can use just fischertechnik power interface to do it. I can also use an adapter specifically for this interface for it. And where shall I connect it? Well, this is going to be a little bit of a hassle. It can be done in, let's say, during conventions, because the distance between the computer and the model will be bigger. But for now, I'm going to put it on the other side of the laptop, so I have some more space. But I found out that I only have, let's see, is that true? Do I only have one USB interface there? Yes. So, well, yeah, and that one is connected to the mouse. So I am bound to this side. So when I turn the camera a bit, that is a bit of a problem, but it's the way it is. And then when there's a difference powering this interface. When using the adapter, it goes in here. And when I use the power controller, it goes in here, plus and minus. So now the decision how to do it, I think I'll be using the power adapter. and that will be also easier on the desktop. So let's do that. At the end of this first video, I can show, of course, the wiring which I made, the lack of result, or more appropriate, the message that the driver hasn't been installed and I haven't been able to solve it. Little program that I wrote, but well, without the driver it doesn't do anything. Not there anyway, where it is supposed to run. So that's it. I hope you liked it anyway. I hope next time on this laptop the driver will be running, and that gives a lot more fun and interesting things to see. For now, thanks for watching. If you are a Patreon member or a Ko-fi member, then I thank you very much. And for the rest you can donate via PayPal. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.